Look at this. We're looking at the camera in our driveway. Over 1,000 of turkey in the back of the truck. This dude wants to be dinner. I'm telling you, man, he looks delicious. Throw him in the oven. What the hell is he doing back there? Oh, I'm waiting for him to poke his head up again. There he is. What's he doing? He's either trying to get a ride out of here, or he's trying to come home for dinner.
He's walking.
Oh no, don't go yet. Oh no! Dude, this dude is suicidal, man. He wants to be dinner bad. Shit. Might as well just jump in the oven for us. God. Look at him. I know I'm from the city. I get excited when I see a turkey jump into the back of the truck. Alright, I think he's leaving. I don't think he's jumping back in the truck anymore. Turkey versus the UPS. Look, UPS guy's rolling forward. You don't want no part of that bird. Later. I didn't even get out. All right, FedEx guy versus turkey. That's a good
Oh my god, look, he stopped and looked like, what the f. Look, he still can't stop looking.
That turkey, man.
Why can't he?
That's my guard turkey.
He's like, yeah, no, dude.
Straight up guard turkey, huh? Dude. We're all over here. This is some entertainment. Everybody's on the clock watching this fucking turkey. It's all good. We're gonna see what happens right here. I wonder if he's gonna go after him. If he does, he's gonna be a YouTube star. Is that turkey flexing on him? It looks like he was, huh? Oh, listen to this song, The Ghetto Bird. Open up the window. I can hear it.
He's not moving.
Look at the FedEx guy.
But they're both like...
Dude, it's a straight standoff, dude. Is he gonna leave? No, you can't be scared, dude. Hey, the UPS guy pulled up and tore out of here. Didn't even drop our packages off. Look. He's afraid of him! No way! That's hilarious. Did you see that? Dude! He probably thinks it's a big ass vulture or something. He's gotta know that's a turkey. Come on, FedEx, don't let us down, man. Dude, he slammed the door shut. This is comedy. Come on, what's he gonna do? He's holding his own though. He's like, yeah, that's what I thought, fool.
His feather's about to fall off.
Shit, I hope the FedEx guy isn't delivering that turkey that Mama ordered. Maybe that's why. Dude. What's he doing? Is he calling his supervisor or something? Dude, he doesn't want to drop my package off. Straight up. Dude, FedEx guys do not just sit in their truck. They throw those packages and run, especially during the holiday. Well, I love FedEx. They don't just throw them, but they, you know, sometimes they do, but they usually just drop them off and run.
Oh, look, he's getting out.
Is he getting out on the other side?
Yep.
He did, didn't he?
He did on the
Dude,
other
he's
side.
gonna take a long way to my front door, I bet. Look, he's peeking around the corner.
He's peeking too.
Oh my god!
This is... He's scared, dude.
He's gonna...
Oh, the turkey's going to get him. He's gonna freak out, dude.
Switch cameras, switch cameras. Oh, there's Mama.
Oh, dude, look.
Is he flexing on him?
He's flexing, dude.
Turn the cameras.
That turkey is not messing around.
Come on, cameras, turn. Shitty ass cameras. There it goes. This is funny. He straight peeked around the corner at the FedEx. Or
Here he
at
comes. Oh, he's getting right back in his truck and he's out.
You drop the package off the neighbor.
So, hey, can you drop this off across the street over at the Meads? Can't do it.
He's like, oh, hell no. Oh, dude, he's going after him. Turkey's pissed. You better go, dude. He shut the door.
Change cameras.
No way!
No, don't do it!
You better.
Dude, that is an attack turkey. I'm telling you, look at him.
Oh, look at the guy's looking. He's like. He's knocking on the window.
Dude, this dude's like, what? What up? What's cracking, dude? Trying to say you want some? Dude, look at him. This dude is strutting up the street like he owns the place. Like, he said, what? You say something? Did you keep?
Oh, no.
No!
Dude, what is going
Dude, what is he doing? He's like,
What is going on, dude?
dude, just start your truck and go. You'll be all right.
Oh, move, turkey. Oh, he played.
Is he pecking up the tires?
Oh my god, dude! You better move, stupid! He's gonna get ran over!
Turn the cameras, Anthony. Turn the cameras.
Oh my god! Oh my god, he's running!
I know.
No!
Is he chasing him?
He just chasing him on the jump. What the fuck? Shut the fuck!
I wonder if he's gonna come back. Let's see. Hold on, we gotta see if he comes back. Oh my god.
Dude, he was chasing the fucking time. That turkey's stupid.
Look, he's coming back. Look, he's coming back.
He better not come back and get on the truck.
Oh my god, this dude is causing havoc.
That turkey ain't no punk, bro. Is he really coming back?
Yeah, he's coming back. Look, here he comes.
The turkey was chasing the truck.
If he comes back and jumps up in my truck again, where is he? Dude, that was probably the funniest thing I've seen in a long time. Oh my god. He's gonna come back and jump up in the truck. Mama better go inside. Mama just came out. She better go inside. Alright, here we are at the house. I think my guard turkey left. Yeah, he left a big ass turd on the side. Wonder if there's any on the sunroof. I don't see anything on the glass. Yep. Oh shit, man. He got me good. It's alright. I'll find him and we will have him for dinner. Just kidding. Alright, I guess this fool's out here again. Where's he at? Where's he at? Whoa, shit. That's a big ass bird. Damn. Oh, I just stepped in one of his turkey turds. Look at that dude. Wow.
Damn.
He didn't look that big on the film. dude looks like an ostrich. He's huge. Scared me at all.